Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of beauty and personal care. Today, we're talking about the best purple shampoo on the market, Bold Uniq Purple Shampoo. If you've been struggling with brassy or yellow tones in your blonde, silver, or gray hair, this product might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Bold Uniq Purple Shampoo is a sulfate-free and paraben-free formula that's perfect for neutralizing unwanted warm tones in blonde and silver hair. What sets this shampoo apart is its powerful blend of violet pigments. These pigments work wonders to counteract brassiness, leaving your hair with cooler, fresher tones after each use. Whether you have platinum blonde, gray, or silver hair, this shampoo is designed to give you that salon-fresh look right from the comfort of your home. But it's not just about color. This shampoo also nourishes and conditions your hair. Thanks to the addition of vitamin B5, it helps to soften your strands, adding a beautiful shine without weighing them down. Plus, it's packed with ingredients like coconut oil, marula oil, and jojoba oil, which deeply moisturize and keep your hair looking healthy and hydrated. One of the best things about Bold Uniq Purple Shampoo is how it helps extend the time between salon visits. The potent violet formula enhances your hair color, keeping it vibrant and bright for longer. If you've spent a lot of money on getting your hair done at the salon, this product will save you a fortune while giving you the same results at home. And let's not forget the environmental impact. Bold Uniq cares about sustainability, which is why they use 100% recycled plastic for their bottles. For every bottle you purchase, they remove an equivalent amount of plastic from the oceans, making your beauty routine a little greener. With a 4.3-star rating from over 56,000 customers, Bold Uniq Purple Shampoo has proven to be a go-to product for people with blonde, silver, or gray hair. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and free from harmful chemicals, making it a great option for anyone looking for a safer, more eco-friendly hair care solution. So, if you want to keep your blonde, platinum, or gray hair looking its best, without the yellow undertones, Bold Uniq Purple Shampoo is definitely worth a try. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more honest reviews and beauty tips, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.